My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so back at you with another sneaker review. It's been a while. It's been a while, people. I think the last time I did a sneaker review was for the Kobe's. If I'm not mistaken, it was probably like last month. October just started. I'm pretty sure I didn't do a sneaker review for October because if I'm being correct, this is my first pickup of October. I think I'm wrong because I bought like some shoes off a line. Very cool brand. Y'all know I fuck with that. They released a Courage the Cowardly Dog shoe. It takes about 8 weeks to get here, so y'all won't be seeing that anytime soon. But yeah, so I think I bought that shoe. But like I think that this is the first sneaker review I did of October. So nothing really been popping. Nothing really been coming out. Nothing I want. I'm walking. I just got off of work. I am walking. A lot has happened since my last video. I think my last video I was telling y'all how I was about to go to Houston for my birthday. That was a blast. So fun. Shouts out to everybody that made my birthday such a memorable day. So, and it was crazy because I'm a Cowboys fan. And we went to Houston. Then we flew to Houston. I drove to New Orleans because New Orleans got the best food. Ate down there, drove back to Houston for my birthday party at this club. One of the hottest clubs in Houston. I forgot what it's called. My birthday was that was on Saturday. My actual birthday, which was Sunday, September 22nd, we drove to Dallas because my favorite team, the Cowboys, was playing my home team. I'm from Baltimore, the Ravens. So you can't make that up. That's some storybook shit. You cannot make that up. On my birthday, my favorite team played my home team. It's crazy, even though my favorite team lost. So anyway, but I think that's the last. Oh, so I did that. And I'm walking right now because this past Monday, it is Thursday. This past Monday, I got hit by a car. Driving to work on my motorcycle, I got hit by a car. So I'm physically okay. I was banged up a little bit, but mentally I'm not ready to get back on my bike yet, if that makes any sense. So I'm not gonna be talking too much. Got the pickup right here. Just came back from Foot Locker. Got some accessories with it too. I'm gonna show y'all. I think I'm gonna show it to y'all when I get home. I'm walking to what we call out here the Red Line, which is a train station. So I caught a bus. My first time catching a bus in about 10 years. I caught a bus because I was gonna walk all the way home. That's like a 2-hour walk. So I caught a bus. Sorry if the camera's shaking. I caught a bus. Now I'm walking up this. It's about a 20-minute walk to the train, and I'm gonna catch the train home. So I wanted to do this intro, a long ass intro. I apologize. And as soon as I get home, I'll give you a review for my pickup to today. So stay tuned, and I'll be back. All right, we back. I'm in the lab. I'm back home, whatever you want to call it. Long day. So I'm gonna get through this. I got some Chick-fil-A right there that I am hungry. I'm about to eat. So got camera. I got Classic holding the camera. It's been a while. Say hi, Classic.
Howdy.
Howdy. Whatever like that. All right, so let's get straight to it. We ain't gonna waste no time. Crazy thing about this. Hold on, I get to that. Kobe box. You see it. Black logo in the center, signature right there. Sorry if it's a little shadow, it's a little bit dark right here, but Classic said it looks fine, so I'm gonna trust Classic that it looks fine. But yeah, all black box, nothing special, nothing different. Label is Kobe 5 Protro. Color is deep royal blue. Balic, I think that's Balic. I think Balic blue. I think that's what it is. Size 9. I do go a half size up because Kobe's do run kind of smug. I've even worn 9.5 sometimes and it still felt good. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Oh, its suggested retail price was $180 if I'm not mistaken. So I was about to say something. I cut myself short. I said crazy thing about, but we'll get to it. All right. So boom. Without further ado, put that right there. We got the put that out the way. We got the Kobe 5 Protro X-ray. Boom. All right. So when I cut myself short, what I was going to say was, crazy thing about this is I had a review for this yesterday. So these dropped today, a Thursday. What I think today's what's today? The 16th. I think today's the 16th or something like that.
No, 17th.
Today's 17th. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's 17th. So I had a early, semi-early review for this yesterday, the 16th. I just didn't like it. The thing about it was, I felt like it was rushed, so I didn't really like it like that. So I was like, you know what? I'm either gonna do the review if I get the shoe, or I'm just not gonna do the review at all. I didn't want to half-ass y'all and give y'all some rush review because it was super rushed. Like, it was so rushed that I couldn't even put actual audio, real-time audio with the video. I was gonna do a voiceover because it was so much music in the background where I had the shoe, so that I couldn't really talk like that. So I did a voiceover. So I did it before, it came out good, but I didn't want to do it again. So I was able to secure my pair, which I'm sure a lot of people was, because this shoe is pretty much sitting. My local Foot Locker got their men's pairs late. And what I mean by late, like an hour after the store opened. Like, it came out today. They only had adult sizes. Kid sizes. Plus they had like maybe 13 pairs of adults. Like, I think within that hour, or hour and a half, they had a shipment of like 80 other pairs or 90 other pairs. So I think this is sitting. I'm not too sure. Y'all let me know how it's limited. I'm not going to sit up here and act like I was a fan of this shoe. Don't get me wrong. I wanted the shoe. I like it because it's blue. But I did feel like the skeleton design made it seem like a kid shoe. Something that a kid would wear. Like, especially with the Halloween season coming up. I feel like you're not really going to see too many adults with this. And Kobe's don't have the same as it did in previous years. And you see a lot of Kobe sitting. Like, the Kobe 9 Halos is just, you can walk into the store and get it, which it is a great time to be a sneakerhead because you're able to really get your shoes. Shoes aren't moving the way they used to. So enough talking, we're gonna get into it. Oh, before I get into my actual review of it, I'm gonna give you some information like I always do. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It'll be up right now, right next to me. You can read along with me. It reads, Vanessa Bryant recently showcased an all-new Nike Kobe 5 X-ray colorway, echoing the iconic X-ray shirt design by Nike for Kobe Bryant as part of the Broken Not Beaten campaign from 2011, which displayed his hand injuries alongside his 5 championship rings. This new iteration pays homage to Kobe's legacy and his resilience on the court. Additionally, it reflects Nike's continued dedication to honoring Kobe's memory through innovative designs. The Nike Kobe 5 features design to Nike Skeleton Air Force 1 series. It boosts a deep royal blue base with a visible foot radiograph. Notable details include ballistic blue swoosh logos outlined in a white and glow-in-the-dark semi-translucent outsole, emphasizing the X-ray theme. It's slated to come out October 17th, which is today. It says retail price. Retail price is at $190. Okay, I thought it was $180. I'm pretty sure it's $180, but okay. In conclusion, Vanessa Bryant's reveal of the Nike Kobe 5 X-ray honors Kobe's legacy and resilience with his innovative design and homage to the basketball legend. This shoe is poised to make waves in the sneaker world upon its release. Yeah, it says $190 for the release date. Okay, there was some more pictures. See that? Sorry if I'm going through it kind of fast, but I'm about to show y'all the shoe anyway. So, all right, that's enough of that. All right, that. Boom. All right, so that deep blue upper right there. Got the So that's his hand. I think this is foot. That's his foot, not his hand. His foot skeleton on the top of the shoe. Blue laces, deep blue laces. Got the Kobe logo right there on the tongue, and it's on the insole right there. Got this outer translucent light blue on the outsole right there, and they said it glows in the dark. Let's see. I got my ring light, so I'm not gonna move my ring light, because then if I move my ring light, it's gonna mess up the whole design. So you're gonna stay right there. We go like that. Most glow in the dark shoes, you gotta charge them up a little bit. Well, it looks like it's already doing it. So we're gonna let's count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
6.5.
8, 9, 10. All right, let's see. Oops. Good. Let's see. Let's see if it goes like that. A little teeny bit.
Just barely.
Yeah, but again, you gotta charge up, and this is a ring light, so the light's not that strong. So you see it, but it does. It does do. It does it. Oh, carbon fiber on the side, plates right there on the side. So Kobe signature on the back, right there. So I mean, it's an okay shoe. I mean, it's a Kobe. It's a Kobe. So, Class, what do you think about this shoe?
I'm giving it an 8.
You give it an 8.
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
You're a child.
No, I like the blue.
Yeah, you're 13 years old. You're a child. I'm not surprised you like this shoe, because in my opinion, it looks like something a child would wear. I'm not saying it's a bad shoe now, because I know y'all be like, oh, then why you buy it? Leave it for somebody who like it. I'm not saying I don't like it. The shoe's okay. I like it. It's not nothing special. The blue is nice. Hold on. So it's 3. I'm seeing 3 different shades of blue. I'm seeing the Nike swoosh blue, this blue. Well, this is the Nike swoosh and that kind of the same thing. This deep blue and like right there, that's like a bluish purple, and then this royal blue. What blue do you like the most?
Oh, that's hard. Oh, the translate blue. I forgot the.
Oh, this right, the lighter blue.
It's like a teal.
Yeah, like a teal. That's a
yeah.
I like the royal blue. This royal blue right here, I like that. This right here on his back, on the anklet, I like the royal blue. I like that. So 1 to 10, I guess I give it a 7. I mean, maybe a 6.5. I mean, like I said, it's not a bad shoe whatsoever, but it's not nothing special. I'm not really a fan of the skeleton. I'm not gonna lie. So before I let y'all go, you remember he was talking about the iconic. Where was it? It was the what they say? They said echoing the iconic X-ray shirt design by Nike for Kobe Bryant as part of the Broken Not Beaten series. Remember I said I had some pearls, so I did pick up 2 shirts. Boom. We got that. This white shirt, the X-ray of his hand, all his injuries highlighted on it, and his 5 championship rings. Got a fractured finger, dislocated, another fracture, torn ligament. Kobe had a lot of injuries, and it says patient number 24, Kobe Bryant. I like this though, with his 5 rings. I like that. So I had to pick this up. I think this is a dope shirt. And also, I got the black one, which Kobe actually wore. Kobe wore this one. And it's the same thing. Fractured, dislocated, torn ligament, patient 24, Kobe Bryant. These shirts are $50 a piece. I heard this glows in the dark too. So let's test this.
It looks like it glows in the dark.
We're gonna see. Hold up. We're gonna see. See that right there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see it. Oh, it does!
Yo, it looks awesome.
Ooh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
I like that. And I didn't even charge it up that much. I like that. Did the camera catch it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. That's nice. I like that. That's nice. Okay. I don't know if this one.
Bright.
Yeah, huh?
It was bright.
It was bright?
Yeah.
I don't know if the blue. I don't think the blue one does.
I don't think it does.
Yeah, I don't think the blue one does. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, blue one don't. All right, blue one don't. The black was dope. I like that, and I heard it from my own boy Alberto. Shout out Alberto. He the one that told me that it glows in the dark. So that's dope. I like that. Little extra thing. So y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think of the Nike Air Protro Kobe 5. I think that's how I said it. Probably said it wrong, but you know it is what it is. This is a copper drop for y'all. Obviously, it's a cop for me. I keep all these Kobe shirts. I don't even wear these Kobe shirts. I just keep them. Do like this. I tie it up. I'll just keep it for one day. One day soon I'll wear it. But this definitely would. So real quick before I let them go, Classy, you think this would look better with the black shirt or the blue shirt? I think it would look better with the white and blue. I'm not gonna lie. I like the black shirt because it glows in dark, but I think this with a white and blue, that white and blue shirt with some blue shorts.
It would look fire.
That look fire. That look fire. That look fire. I might have to break this out one day. Not no time soon, but I'm gonna have to break this out. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks, the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Try something new. Have a nice day.